try. Jumbo slice. Cheese or pepperoni, $5.25. Or a slice and pop is $6.25. You can't beat those prices. Oh, I like the door. Let's have a look. Hi, how are you? I'm visiting from Toronto. Let's have a look. Ooh. Good and you. I think I want a pepperoni slice to go. I have subs, steak sub, meatball, or chicken or ham, sides. Alright, here's a slice of pizza. It's huge. It is jumbo. It is jumbo. It's a full quarter of a rectangle pan. And look at, I don't know if I can, OMG. I'm like, okay, I can't walk and eat both of these, so I'll sit and record. But look at this. That is very generous. Alright, I'm gonna give the pizza a try. Okay. So that's the underneath. Wow, this is very good. Can't believe how big of a slice they offer here. Wouldn't get this in Toronto. No, I have my water here. Thank you. No, I'm good. Well, every bite is a pepperoni, so that's good. Wow. Well, for the price, and it's made nice. It's a bit on the soft side, but it's still a good slice pizza. Take your bite. Very good. So, if you're visiting Niagara Falls, if you live in the area, gather around pizza and fries. Take your bite. Turn back now. Go back. Oh, I should take a picture of this. Welcome to downtown Niagara Falls since 1853. Hey, thanks for watching. Just to let you know, I have 4 channels altogether. All my content coincides with each other, so be sure to check out my channels so you can see the continuation of each presentation or live streams. My main channel is Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. The next channel is Multitask with Lizzo C. Food channel is What's Cooking with Lizzo C. There I do food reviews. I will live stream at home, some baking live streams. Check that out. And my latest one is Explore, Discover, Capture Day and Night Trips. So check them all out. Stay connected, and thanks for watching.